How did this even happen? How did the car end up in the man's yard like that? Okay, it was an accident, but why are you running away? You destroyed everything. These workers, who came to renovate the house, had no idea what was about to happen. While unloading their tools from the car, two robbers approached from behind and tried to rob them.
I think you need blink chain to support your family. No. Alright, bye y'all.
I love you.
Love ya.
Be safe.
Talk to them, follow up with them this afternoon, please.
Yeah.
Oh, puppy.
What?
Give them a toilet paper roll. I don't know if the basement one is enough or not.
Okay, yeah.
Just see.
Right.
Okay. Do you have $20?
Yeah, why?
The parking sticker out. I need something for them. I might just go to the county clerk office and get some parking stickers.
Okay, yeah. You're on the wall.
But Daddy has too much questions. I need to give explanation for money. What kind of life is that? Keith, Mommy has a poor life. Poor life. I need to give explanation. Bye. Be good to Daddy. Bye. Love ya. Keith, be nice to Daddy. Mama love you, honey. Come here. Mama give you kisses. Come here. Mama give you kisses. Come here.
When they couldn't find anything valuable on the workers, the robbers looked inside the car, took everything, and fled.
No, go. Go meaning go that way, not this way. This way is come. That means go. Go sit with Daddy. Mommy put laundry on the floor. You can go sit on the laundry. Just sit here and watch.
When the pickup truck cornered the car's driver got out and aggressively approached the pickup driver. In response, the pickup driver ran away. Do you think the car driver's reaction was justified? The identity of the armed man is unknown, but he attempted to rob this young boy. However, as soon as the boy's mother shouted from inside, the armed man quickly fled the scene. What a disgrace! They don't even feel ashamed of their age. Grown women are out here stealing. The house dog is being chased by a fox. I hope nothing happened to the dog. Where are the owners? He drew attention to himself by making ridiculous moves and suddenly grabbed the package in front of the house and ran off. While this family group was enjoying themselves, a young man came and disturbed their peace. What exactly is his intention? This gang's clash with another gang is caught on the doorbell camera. I'm not sure if there are any injuries or fatalities, but they're firing from all directions. Be careful while driving, and don't forget things like pulling the handbrake. Just like these people did. A disaster could have happened. A man approaches a child with this car and tries to get the child to get in, but luckily, the child refuses. In snowy or cold weather, make sure to check in front of your door to see if there's snow or ice. If you forget to clean it, you could slip like this and something could happen to you.
Just found their bag and stuff. I'm just trying to return it.
This polite man brought the homeowner his wallet. What a thoughtful person.
Oh, yeah. Does Christopher live here?
Yes, he does.
Is this his stuff?
Yes.
Did somebody break in his car not too long?
Yes.
I found his bag in the park today. Was it 2 bags?
Yeah, it was.
One was an Apple laptop?
Yeah.
I got all your stuff in there.
I think.
And
it
it's
wasn't an apple.
well. There's 2 bags. Let me just give you this.
Yeah.
Now it's kind of wet because it seems like it was out there.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Let me call him. That is so nice.
No, this is the other one I found.
I don't think. Layla said.
I found this bag when I was walking. I clean up out there a lot. And this was in the woods. It's kind of wet. I'm so sorry that this happened, you know. We were out there cleaning it. Because he had 12. I thought somebody said, almost together. No. The stuff was pretty wet. But let me make sure I gave you. I went by 2 addresses. I had to go by the address on this too because there's some good with nobody. That's definitely shit on that.
It seems like these dogs are calling out to the homeowners. They look like they've been left outside.